From Skinny Fat to Muscular, the Ultimate Transformation Guide, Introduction. By the end of the video, you will know about the key strategies to transform your body from skinny fat to muscular. This guide is designed to provide you with the best tips, workout routines, and dietary advice to help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's dive into the Ultimate Transformation Guide. Understanding skinny fat. The term skinny fat refers to individuals who appear thin but have a high body fat percentage and low muscle mass. This condition can be frustrating, as traditional weight loss methods may not work effectively. The goal is to reduce body fat while increasing muscle mass. Step 1. Nutrition. Building the right foundation. A balanced diet is crucial for transforming your body. Focus on consuming lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Incorporate foods like chicken, fish, eggs, whole grains, and vegetables into your meals. Remember, your diet should support muscle growth and fat loss simultaneously. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Step 2. Effective workout routines. Your workout routine should combine strength training and cardiovascular exercises. Strength training helps build muscle, while cardio aids in burning fat. Here's a sample weekly workout plan. Monday, upper body strength training, chest, shoulders, triceps. Tuesday, lower body strength training, legs, glutes. Wednesday, cardio running, cycling, or HIIT. Thursday, rest or active recovery and walking. Yoga. Friday, upper body strength training, back, biceps. Saturday, lower body strength training, legs, calves. Sunday, cardio or rest. Step 3. Rest and recovery. Rest is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and include rest days in your workout routine to allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Step 4. Staying consistent and motivated. Transformation takes time and dedication. Track your progress with photos, measurements, and strength gains. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Conclusion. Transforming from skinny fat to muscular is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and the right strategies. By following a balanced diet, effective workout routine, and ensuring proper rest, you can achieve your fitness goals. Remember, progress may be slow, but with dedication, you'll see significant changes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the recommended supplements and more tips. Stay motivated and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. See you in the next video.